Hi guys, today we are going to play Minecraft, but something I want to tell you guys is that this time I will not keep playing some things that we will keep going because the update, let's see if we have an update mode. If we are not, I will skip it. Single player. Oh yeah, I forgot. So let's delete this. And let's go over this. Let's wait a second. We need to go to the最新版本。Let's wait. So let's skip it. Okay, we'll change it back to 1.13. Here is what? Here. See it? Here. Okay, let's go to single player, create new world. New world is to be survival. More option, bonus chest open, world type default. Generator on, allow cheat time. Let's make a new world name 1.13.1 Ocean Survival Record. Let's done it and create new world. Let's back to game. What? Let's see what are those. Here is a little place that we can grow in kelps. And before that run, I already showed you guys something that new upload in those games is a ways different. Now we have a big places, there's waters, whatever thing that we need, and now it's time for us to start crafting. I'll make a lower sound. I feel the Minecraft author really had to using his really focus on those all updates of teenagers. Zombies. Won't find me? Huh? Monster Hunter. There's so many zombies. Let them burn to die. Burn you to death. Okay, they burn to death. Now we can have some food. That's better. The foods are important. At least we can eat some now. Maybe. And now I'm going to make a stair to go to the upside, and I'm not going to stay here at the house first. It's enough places. I see oceans. Did you guys see it? Let's walk. Walk was so slow. What is it? Guess. Those are not kelps. Those are seaweeds. But maybe those are. Maybe those are just grasses. Here's some fishies. I just checked the receipts. And now we are back to what we need to do. I think first we need to keep inventory. Keep inventory true. Oh yeah, it's game rule. Wait. Hmm. True. Because I already over keep inventory, so I need to die. When I die, I'm going to come back here to get more of the woods. And sometimes we'll get those cows and get some milk. Maybe in the first video we will just always do in the woods, but the woods looks reddish. There's many of them. Okay, so let's just keep running. Okay, here's sheeps, so that we don't care about anything that we need. We have a okay. Now this is the crafting table. Let's just set our homes right here. And let's make some sticks. Axe. We need rocks. We can get some rocks right there. Or here. I have to see if there's any irons that I can get on here. Maybe a little bit time. Okay, but pretty sure we can get some stones here. Or even I hope there's some if there's no coal, I only can using charcoal. Charcoal is a kind of coal that is formed by the wood, which is you burn the wood, which is the log, it's not the plank. You burn each log equal 1 charcoal. Oh yeah, I find the coal, I'm lucky. Some lights. Okay, many rocks. 3 coals. 3 are enough for me. Maybe we stay here, right? Here. Yeah, let's just make a stone axe. This is not attack. Yet a stone axe. So the even strongest, it can be very strong. Maybe we need to kill some of them. That here is crunchy. Did you want guys? Did you know what I found? The land lava. So I don't need to go so deep to find lava. So I just need to find here. Here's some lavas. One, two, three, four.